Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. That is English for Grade 2. We are learning Unit 3. Its title is Transportation. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, under the title of reading skill, we are going to point out specific information in our calendar. Before this, in English for Grade 1, we have practiced about the 12 months of year. There was an activity. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video again and we learn further to point out specific information in our calendar, like name of the month and days of the week using sight reading strategies. Okay, this is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Ar-Rahman, verse 5, the sun and the moon are bound by a fixed calculation. Subhanallah, Allahu Akbar. You see, beta, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created everything in a very organized manner. And what Allah is saying, sun and moon are fixed in a calculation. Okay? And that calculation makes a year, right? How does it happen? Let's learn today. So first you tell me, how many days are there in a week? And how many can you name all the days of the week? Can you name? Okay, then pause the video and answer this question to your teacher. Yes, my dear students, you know there are 7 days in a week and they are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now you see, this is a week. And when Saturday comes, what happens? Again, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It's another week. And there are weeks after the weeks. And what happens next? 4 weeks we join together to make a month. And 12 months altogether makes a year. This is how this calendar goes on, right? So, how many months are there? And also, can you name all the months of the year? Can you? Okay, then pause the video and answer these questions to your teacher. Yes, there are 12 months in a year and the names of the months are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December, right? So here, my dear fellow teachers, I just want to tell you, this is, I'm applying sight reading strategies for names and days. We need not to ask students to spell all together. By showing and telling them, they will find it. So I'm going to repeat it. So students, are you with me? The first month is January, then February, then March, then April, then May, then June, July, August, September, October, November, and December, right? So teacher, you may place a calendar in your classroom and students, whenever they get time, they will get to go to the calendar and they can have different type of activities over there. For example, what activities we can have? How do we use a calendar? Beta, all of you, listen carefully. I'm telling you, Amna's birthday is on 4th day of the 3rd week of the 7th month. What date it is? This is how we use a calendar. So first of all, the biggest thing is month. So we'll go to the month. Which month is 7th month of a year? That's July. Okay. So when we reach to the July, what is the next thing? Week. Which week they are talking about? Third week. So it's week 1, week 2, week 3. And which day they are talking about? It's fourth day. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So Amna's birthday is on 14 July. Right? This is how we locate a specific information in a calendar. In next situation, Hamza is going to Islamabad with his parents on the 7th day of the 4th week of the first month. Okay, what is the date? Now, the first month is January. And where is the 4th week? 1, 2, 3, 4. And where is the 7th day? They are saying it's 7th day. So, where is the 7th day? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, which date it is? He is going on 23rd of January. Okay, this is how we reach to a specific information on our calendar. Okay, so this is the question. Teachers, you will pause the video and take the answer of this question from students and make them to reach to the answer the way I just guided. Yes, my dear students, did you do this activity? Good job. Now, can you locate different dates in calendar, different days in calendar? Good, that's fine. This is what we were going to do. Here is an activity in your book, and before going to book, teacher, I would suggest you place a calendar and give a specific time to students, maybe before school time or in their break time. They can go to calendar, and because sight reading strategy doesn't mean one lecture, they should keep on doing it very frequently. So you may assign them different assignments for a week, like ask them to find out their own birthday or the Independence Day or different days you may ask them to find on calendar. All right. So students, all of you open your book and complete this question. Look at the calendar and fill in the blanks with correct answers. Okay. So first of all, the first question is today is, you will mention the day, and likewise keep reading and keep writing the answers. Pause the video, complete this exercise on your book. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job, smart work. So here is an activity, very interesting. Write the names of months on sticks and choose the colorful sticks. Work in pairs and ask questions from your peer like, why do you think the spring sticks are green, and why are there 3 for each color? When do we celebrate Independence Day? And ask which month the birthday is. Okay, so take sticks and complete this project in a very nice way under the supervision of your teacher. Kindly, teachers, pause the video and complete this activity. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job, smart. So I'm giving you a homework. You will write the dates of birth in your notebook of every person of your home. Okay? And here I'm giving you a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly give printed worksheet to students for practice. What you will do? Can you tell which month comes first from once? There are a group of months, so you will tell which come first. Write the number in the box and also color this sheet. So in this way, what we have learned today, we learned the days of the week and names of the months of a year. We learned to read a calendar. We pointed out different dates in our calendar using sight reading strategies. So in this way, we achieved our SLO to point out specific information in a calendar like name of the month and days of the week using sight reading strategies. Yes, my dear children, are we done with it? Yes. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, take very good care of yourself and keep learning. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.